Okay, here's a question, speed and time and also distance. It's in a graph format, but I always like to draw the trusty triangle. If you want to have a go at that before, you can pause it now and have a go, and I will now continue with the question. So it wants the value of t here. So this is the value of t there. We've already gotten the 8, so it's kind of like the time where it changes and the speed starts to decelerate basically. So that's the change. So we have to set this up like a bit of an equation, okay? So to find the distance it's speed times time. So speed times time, we're kind of looking at the area, so it's always the area under the graph for distance. Okay, so we know the area of this triangle because we can just do 8 times 9 and then half that. So 8 times 9 divided by 2 gives us 36. Here we don't know, but the equation for this part would be 9 times t minus 8. So that's the difference between these. See, t take away 8 will be the difference between this, think about this just as a rectangle, times 9. So that would be this part here. We'll call it 2, call that 1, 2. Sometimes it's good to label them, so you kind of know what you're doing. And then the third part would be, the difference here will be 70 minus t, again times it by 9. Okay, so and then divide it by 2, sorry, because it's a triangle. Okay, be very careful on that. Okay, so that's our three equations. We know they all add to make 513, so we'll just sort of write them and expand them out. So 36 add 90 minus 72, that's those two. And this one, 9, what I'll do is I'll do 9 times 70 and then divide it by 2. So 9 times 70 is 63 divided by 2. So that is 630 divided by 2, 350. Then 9 times minus t divided by 2, minus 4.5t. We know that is all going to equal 513. Okay, now it's a rearranging. Once you kind of set that out and you've not made any mistakes there, it's just about rearranging really. So 36, 35, so we know the t's, this is just going to be 4.5t, that's 90 minus 4.5. Now the numbers, we need to add them, let's just do this down here. 315, add 36, we'll end up with, oh sorry, because I didn't write the carry. Carry that over, and then so it's 351, and then 351 minus 72, seven 279. Okay, so 4.5 t plus 279. All I've done is rearrange that and simplified it, equals 513. And then I'm going to be taking 27 away from 513. But always don't try and do these in your head, because what will happen, you'll make mistakes in pressured circumstances, you'll make more mistakes and it just isn't worth it. You write them, it won't take long to write down. So 234 equals, now I'd never divide through half numbers, so what I would do is double it, so that 90, doubling that side, you have to double this side, 468, and then it's a division, so let's go with 9, 4, 6, 8, 9 into 46, go 5 times, and then we're carrying 1, and then 9's into 18, it's 2. So total is going to be, for t, equals 52. And you can look to see if it makes sense. You can also put it in to the equation and work it out. So for example, 52 minus 8 times 9, work out what that is, and then the difference between here, 18 times 9, work out what that is, and if it adds up to 31513, it's wrapped it up nicely for you. But yeah, so that is a speed, distance, time. It's not a bad question, but I can understand how people would go wrong. Some people would forget the divide the two, or just understanding that distance is the area under the graph. Okay, that's all for that one. Thank you.